All right, this one is for our seniors. It's healthcare that makes you the center of attention. Take a look.
Talk to us about CenterWell. Introduce us to what you guys do for the community.
So CenterWell is a senior-focused primary care group throughout the Las Vegas Valley. So we really emphasize, spending special attention on our seniors in general.
And what does CenterWell mean?
So we used to be called actually Partners in Primary Care, but we actually changed the name to CenterWell really to focus on a couple aspects, in the sense that, first of all, we put our patients in the center of the care and want to focus on them particularly, and also wellness, right? It's not just treating illness, but it's also maintaining a level of wellness for our patients. So it really, the name now really represents that combination of both of those elements.
Well, I actually love the name change. I was with you in your office when you were called Primary Care in your beautiful facility. And I understand that senior focused care is also one of your primary, I guess, your foundation. So explain what that means for everybody.
So we know that as we all age, we have different needs in maintaining our health, and also more chance of suffering from chronic illnesses. So for us, it's really about focusing on that particular population and having those special needs addressed that we have as we grow older. So for us, it's, developing clinics that not only, physically meet the needs of our patients, whether it's if they have mobility issues or other issues, but it's also about addressing all the elements that keep, our seniors well, whether it's financial, social, emotional. All of those components are, engaged in our clinics. We actually have what we call a resource coordinator who helps our seniors focus on needs they may have outside of their medical needs. Maybe it's, housing insecurity, or the need to, enroll in certain low-income resources so that they can get their prescriptions at better prices for them. So it's really about overcoming some of those barriers that are often, insurmountable for our patients to overcome to really get their needs met.
I understand each location has a care team. What do those consist of?
So we're really lucky. We have not only the traditional elements of a care team like physicians, medical assistants, front office, but we also have RNs who help manage, some of the patients' needs, as well as we have a clinical pharmacist on staff to, help patients work with their medications to get the best costing or the most cost-effective medications that they can be on. Because even as physicians, we don't necessarily know everything. So it's really having the talents of all these team members to make the care accessible for our patients and optimized.
Well, speaking of accessible, you guys are across the valley. Where can people find CenterWell?
So CenterWell, right now, we currently have 8 locations and throughout the valley. And we look to be opening 2 more by the end of this year.
For more information on CenterWell Senior Primary Care, call 702-766-4910 or visit seniorfocuslasvegas.com.